Hello, we are in the pilot of Ingredia. Today I will demonstrate you in this video how we make a protein drink with micellar casein Prodiet Fluid. In nutrition, products can be developed for sports, well-being, and clinical nutrition. For example, we can do a protein drink, water-based or milk-based, in sample matrix for sports nutrition. Or products can be formulated with carbohydrate, lipid, vitamin, and minerals in complex matrix for clinical nutrition. Today we will make our drinks with water, skim milk flavors, sweetener, etc.
Firstly, we preheat the liquid to 50 degrees. As one of the major suppliers of milk proteins, we define the best temperature and duration of rehydration at 50 degrees for 1 hour. From our study, we show that it is the best combination for protein rehydration. To optimize the rehydration, you need to create a vortex. Then, we incorporate micellar casein Prodiet Fluid in the tank. It is important to add slowly the milk protein, and you need to start stirring with low speed. If the stirring speed is too quick, air will enter and foams will be formed. Large bubbles will disappear later. If the powder is added too quickly, milk protein do not have time to dissolve in the liquid and lumps can be formed. If there were lumps formed, this means that the proteins are not completely solubilized. They can stick in the pipes during the second step of sterilization. Now all the ingredients are added. We keep it under rehydration for 1 hour to avoid precipitation and ensure a complete rehydration. After rehydration, we check pH to see if it is over 6 or not. Caseins precipitate at acidic pH. If the pH is too low, protein beverage may have a deposit during shelf life. We adjust the pH if the pH is under targeted pH. The beverage is transferred to tubular system.
In front of you is a tubular system for ultra-high temperature processing. As it is an indirect UHT heating, it will have less filling compared to plate heat exchanger. It is a machine which allows you to use different recipes with many parameters such as preheating temperature, homogenization pressure, sterilization and cooling temperature, etc.
Temperature and holding time could be adjusted. We can do either upstream homogenization or downstream homogenization. According to the customer's request, we adjust all these parameters to stick to the customer's needs. At the end of pilot line, to package the products, we are using a hood which allows the product to be conditioned in a clean environment after ultraviolet disinfection. Before launching the production, the tubular system has been sanitized to ensure the cleanliness of the system. The liquid passes through the tubular system, preheated to 70 degrees for homogenization. After homogenization, the liquid is heated up to 143 degrees for a few seconds. After that, the liquid is cooled down and conditioned in the bottles. Physical, chemical, and microbiological analysis will be realized on these samples afterwards.
At Ingredia, we characterize the products by measuring pH, viscosity, mineral balance, stability, etc.
This helps our customers to anticipate the results before testing our ingredients. For example, we measure the viscosity. The viscosity is measured on a real matter with programmed shear rate at 20 degrees.
Then, we will turn the bottles at the bottom to see if there is any deposit or not.
There is no deposit on this beverage with our micellar casein. no sedimentation, it is perfect. When the protein content increases, the viscosity increases in beverage. Our protein drink is quite liquid even at 14% of protein.